Welcome to homeadder.com. My name is Neha. Today I am going to take you through the amenities of the project Prestige Temple Bells. You are looking into the master plan of the project Prestige Temple Bells. This project is loaded with a number of world-class amenities. All the amenities are very well explained in the project brochure, so I'll be talking about the key amenities here. This project has got one clubhouse here of 50,000 square feet. This clubhouse has amenities like gymnasium, party hall, mini theatre, health club, table tennis court, squash court, indoor board games, billiards and library. Also there are two swimming pools in this project. This is the adults pool, and beside the adults pool you have one kids pool. Apart from this project has got outdoor amenities, like here you have children's play area. This is the tennis court. Here you have basketball court, which is also a multi-purpose court. This is the civic amenity area. Here you have water features. This is Samadhi. Thanks for watching my videos. For more videos, you can always log on to www.homeadder.com.